Hey guys, I'm Katie Amos. I'm going to be instructing the pharmacy science program here at Copley High School this coming fall/summer. You're going to enter here at Copley High School by the Bistro 81 entrance right over here. And we're going to walk down to the classroom. It's just right through those doors and down the hall here. We're going to pass by the culinary arts classroom here. And we're going to go around the corner. We're really excited about starting the program this coming year. We're still getting everything going, trying to build a curriculum and trying to figure out, exactly how things are going to go. But we're really looking forward to getting it started and getting you guys in and into hopefully some pharmacy environments. This is the classroom here, right next to the animal science program classroom. You can take a peek in. So this will be the classroom. It's going to look a little different this coming year once we have everything set up and ready to go, but this will be where you'll be. And hopefully the end goal of the program is to get you guys certified and working as pharmacy techs, or in the future becoming pharmacists or pharmaceutical sales. A lot of the things you could learn in this program can be applicable to other medical fields. If you wanted to be, a doctor in the future or a nurse or anything like that, I think having a good medical knowledge is important and can be easily translated into a lot of different areas. So even if pharmacy isn't your end goal, I think this is still going to be really useful information. So I hope you guys are excited. We're excited and looking forward to meeting you all and getting the program going.